Let's swatch the Polite Society Polite Pout Glossy Lip Balm in Pink Grapefruit. So this has hazelnut and peony flower, which aids in moisturizing, and cherry blossom, which is known to soothe and nourish, and it's free of parabens, mineral oil, it's cruelty-free and vegan. According to Polite Society, our plush vegan lip balm immediately soothes and quenches dry lips while adding glossy shine with a hint of color. Infused with nourishing oil blend of hazelnut, peony, vitamin E, and plant-based omega-9 to pamper and naturally plump lips with moisture. Oh, this is pretty. I like the little hint of pink. It's not too much and it's not too little. You can definitely wear this on its own. So this is what it looks like on. I love the little hint of pink. I think that is so pretty. You can definitely wear this on your own or pair it with a lip liner, which would look really, really pretty. It's very lightweight and comfortable on the lips, which I love. I also really love the shade pink. I feel like pink is very hard for me to pull off. So I feel confident to wear this out in public. I also feel like my lips look so plump. If you have not tried a lip product from Polite Society, I definitely recommend the Polite Pout Glossy Lip Balm. I think they're so pretty and they came in a bunch of different colors.